How to improve memory with AI-powered chain linking. Are you tired of forgetting important information, struggling to retain what you've learned? Well, you're in the right place. You need to watch this if you struggle with remembering things. Today, we're diving into an incredible method that's revolutionizing how we improve our memory in just 15 minutes a day. Stick around to the end to discover how AI-powered chain linking can transform your mind into a knowledge powerhouse. Hi, I'm George from Wellington, New Zealand. A few years ago, I watched my dad struggle with his memory, his ability to remember names and places that caused him so much frustration and confusion. I saw this happen to my mum too. I feared a similar future scenario in my mental health if I didn't do something as soon as I approached my senior years. Then I discovered AI and learned how to create solutions through AI tools that can rapidly improve my memory and make me superhuman. My formula I want to share is AI times human intelligence equals superhuman. Using my formula, I make AI tools that improve my skills to create more cash flow and increase my net worth and customize what I want to learn and to commit to memory. Also helped me speed read with great comprehension, 600 to 800 words per minute on topics I love, and that assisted me in solving problems and becoming a super learner. All in 15 minutes a day of brain training. Now I can share my formula and tools with you. That's right, we're talking about AI-powered chain linking, a system that's taking the world of memory improvement by storm. Coming up in a moment, I'll talk about how you can benefit immediately with an invitation offer for free plus a bundle of other tools to improve your memory. Your brain and a sound functioning memory are soft assets that benefit you in creating more wealth, income, and flow. Flow stands for focused love of wealth, focused love of wellness, and focused love of wisdom, and we all want that. But first, let's explore why this method is so effective. The AI-powered chain linking system works by mimicking the brain's natural replay mechanism. It creates connections between pieces of information, much like our brains do during sleep to consolidate memories. The system uses spaced repetition and active recall, two powerful techniques scientifically proven to enhance memory retention. Here's how it works. First, you feed the system with information you want to remember. Then, the AI analyzes the content and creates meaningful connections. Next, it forms a chain of linked concepts, making them easier to recall. After that, the system generates tailored exercises to reinforce your memory. Finally, as you progress, the AI adjusts to your learning style and pace. This method doesn't just help you memorize, it helps you truly understand and retain information for the long term. It's like having a personal memory trainer that knows exactly how your mind works. Benefits: improved long-term retention, enhanced understanding of complex topics, personalized learning experience, time-saving compared to traditional memory techniques, and applicable to various fields: academics, professional development, language learning, and more. Now, as promised, here's how you can benefit immediately. We're offering a free trial of our AI-powered chain linking system. By clicking the link below, you can start enhancing your memory today at no cost. Experience the power of this revolutionary tool firsthand. Don't let another important piece of information slip away. I invite you to click the link below to try our AI-powered chain linking system for free and start your journey to a superhuman memory. We'd love to hear from you. What memory challenges are you facing? Do you have any questions about this AI-powered method? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to help spread the word to others who want to boost their memory and accelerate their learning. In our next video, we'll introduce another exhilarating tool to bolster your memory and accelerate your learning to become superhuman. You won't want to miss it. Remember, improving your memory isn't just about recalling facts. It's about unlocking your mind's true potential. With AI-powered chain linking, you're not just memorizing, you're revolutionizing the way you learn and think. Thank you for watching, and here's to your journey toward a superhuman memory. Remember to check it out by clicking the link below.